All right. So, I mean, I thought about doing videos of just going through the book, but since the book is not that long, I'm gonna basically put this up, and this is for volume 2 because this is for those that already studied the first RSAI blueprint strategy, and this is going to be for those who have gone through that have purchased the volume 2 book for the order strategy. So, harmonic indicator there. These are, gonna be your, double top, double bottom. This one, your directional movement index. I don't think you can see this one because it's off. The true strength. Click this. The true strength, your TSI, the true strength indicator. All the way at the bottom. This one, okay. Ichimoku, alright? You know what the Ichimoku is. Okay. These are gonna be elements. This is the textbook reversal. You want to have your target area, which is going to be the previous unfilled harmonic. Now the harmonics, the less this area fills out, like let's say, where's mine? Alright, the less this fills, I see that only went to the 23, 25, whatever. Then you know you're gonna, this is on a 1 hour, but, wherever you can find the harmonic 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, you gotta find it somewhere and then check it and see how much it didn't fill. This ended up being strong enough to grab you 300 pips on USD JPY. This was really a break, kind of a breather kind of thing, really. The continuation. The first one, I don't know what happened. Somewhere in there, this is just a harmonic. Alright, I got into this. I'm actually deeper than that. I'm on a, what do you call this? I'm trying to say this is a funded account for MFF. This one's a 20,000, and the other one's a 50,000. Other one's a 50,000. Alright, so I entered those trades just recently. This one I had entered last night. So I got in sooner on that. I entered right here. No, I had entered like somewhere in there and pulled back and it did that. Took me out, moved 35 pips or something. And I had mine at 33.3. I woke up, I was out, I got back in about right here, so, and then I moved my stop loss up to 0, like I got about, like right there, and I moved my stop loss to 0, then this one I entered in this one. So, just got in this one, so it should be negative right now. Yeah. It's the end of the week, so I'm just holding those until, Tuesday. But anyway, alright, so let's go back to USD JPY. I'm getting a little distracted. So you always want to look at the 4-hour to get your long. You want to see your long term. It's going to tell you 4 hours is the one that's going to give you, when you're looking at the TSI, it's the one that's going to be able to tell you, more of what you're going to get in the larger picture. Really I look for these for the nice big reversals that would get me 300 pips or so. I'm going to look to the higher time frame, 4-hour a day or something like that, right? And then when it comes to me thinking about entering, I move my way down. All right. This time I didn't even look at the 5-minute because I saw these. These are the things you want to look at. I can show you. Get rid of this. I mean, I take a glance at the 1-hour of this, but not so I don't read it like, oh, this is a must, oh my God, it says buy, get out. No. Because I have the top, I have the bullish harmonic form. I know how far the trend is going to go based on how far the price has moved into the harmonic. I know that it's going to continue down because the harmonic is incomplete. And I know that the harmonic is broken. The first line was up here from this point over across. And then the next line is this point. So you can enter after it breaks this line here, or later you can enter at this. But typically it's going to see, and you can reverse this in your mind. It's the same thing with the other side of the bearish, right? You're going to see price do that, spike up, right? Then continue down. This spike, this trend going down is not going to be that long. Because you see how far it pulled back. The retracement out before going out of it was at 51. So this is not going to be something that's going to go 300 pips. I think we're probably going to see 230 or something like that. Maybe, let's see. The first area, the difficulty is going to be right on that corner. Okay, it's going to be these areas inside of the harmonics are areas of resistance and support. 128 pips, probably get out of that. Or longer. I mean, I wouldn't be beyond this point. The button. Okay, the strongest part is the button of the harmonic. Now, you'll think, why didn't it do this earlier? Right? Oh, and here's a list of all of my different, you can pause the screen and look at my different packages of harmonics, okay, that I have. Okay. Wanted to show you. Okay. I wanted to show you why this one is considered a bigger reversal and the other ones weren't. Even though, okay. All right. What's the issue, the problem with the first time it formed a bullish harmonic, and it did not come down here, right? Well, the first thing is, number one, look at the position of this harmonic found here on the 45. I had to go lower to try to find it, highlight it. Eventually you'll be able to see these so much you'll be able to see them without having to look. 69, 134. Okay. First off, this harmonic is above the Ichimoku. It's not even inside the cloud. Okay. That means there's a much higher chance of this filling to the top. See that? All right. And this point X, I think it's X, and point D is higher than X, okay? See, it's like it's slanted up on the bottom also, so this way. But anyway, you want to look at the bottom is what's going to tell you the truth. And this tells you, and it's on the top of a green cloud. This would not be a reversal, even though it has the double top, right? But the price went to the top. That means the trend going down is weak and the price going up is strong, okay? And then this one's in the wrong position. This harmonic is the harmonic you want to look at, is the one that's formed right on the edge of that trend, okay? Then, you know, it showed you this and you were supposed to get out. When you saw this, if you were really late, you know, you could wait. You could get it just as it comes back inside this zone of the harmonic. Or catch it as it breaks out. Wait for a bearish to form and capture it right at the exit of there. Right at the exit here, or you can catch it on the bounce on the cloud. You know, you want to go 32, catch it at the 32, 25, 32. Can't remember what this one was. I believe this was a 25 or 30, 25. I mean 38.2, 25. This was a 25. The 25 gave us like 300 pips. All right, that's good. So this should give us 300 pips. Let's see. 25 gave us, yeah, 300 pips. So this should give us 300 pips. Yes, that's right. It's the same amount of fulfillment. I mean, no, it's not. So it's going to be less. I was right. Okay. Sorry. All right. Now, so now look, this is under the cloud, right? The button, the center, the button is under the cloud. It's slanted down, right? You have your double top neckline. It's price below neckline, got blocked by the neck, rejected by the neckline, okay? And you have that red forming. All of these. This right here is the sign of a reversal in the trend. Okay? That's it. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.